Who's got the toy? Come on, let's see. Oh, go get it. Go get it. There you go. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on this way. Back up. Come on. You can back up. Back up. Come on. Winston, back. You guys you're gonna rip his little head off. Alright. We'll have to find you guys a nice rope to tug. Who's gonna let go first? Anybody? Jackson, you are strong. Winston, he's not letting go for nothing. You might as well just give up. You guys are too funny.